Chasalo all Tripura Ophthalmological Society ni Luwajijakma by Salnwini Philchinwi ConferenceChengjakha Pandao Narowai Okrani Manjakha Haste Mantri Okra Prof.Dr.Manik Saha Chengjakha all Tripura Ophthalmological Society ni Luwajijakma by Salnwini Philchinwi State Conference Ashli Pandao Koksanan Thenga Haste Mantri Okra Prof.Dr.Manik Saha Government Hospital Mokolin Treatment Rock Klaisago Tongo Abahagin Okashakai Private Hospital Bo Mokolin Treatment Klaisago CM Jana Arigyo Yojana Project in Bishing the Tripura Hasteni Saha Metong Nairo Mokolni Free Treatment Chef Shop Manehne Abahakino Jibishakam Nogo Tabo Bedbo Shakakni Shlake Kabang Onka Jibishakam Nogo Super Specialty Healthcare Unit Clocksaka Day Jibishakam Nogo Super Specialty Healthcare Unit Clocksaka Day Jibishakam Nogo Kaini Special Ward Khorang Bagay Foundation Stone Line Klaijakha
that I have been invited. And in almost all this medical faculties, conference or any sort of gathering, when they invite me, I try to be present. So it is also not exception. So in this conference, I think what our previous speaker already mentioned, will cover topics such as surgical skill upgradation, then newer drug molecules, then recent medical discoveries, and next generation intraocular lenses. I don't know, Dr. Pal already have mentioned that they have only, or you have only 50 members, but I have been given this in this prescription, I should say, it is written that about 80 ophthalmologists are present in Tripura. Is it so? Or 50 is right? 80 is correct. So he was mentioned, PG, including PGT. So anyway, that's a good number, no? And Professor Dr. H.K. Chaudhary of Silchar, Assam will be already have been honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award for his dedicated services in upgrading ophthalmology education in Northeast India, and two senior ophthalmologists, Dr. H.N. Goswami and Dr. M.S. Chatterjee, have been facilitated for their dedicated contribution to eye care in Tripura. I congratulate them for their contribution to eye care. Most eye care services are currently provided in the government hospital. And regarding that, already my previous speaker already have mentioned about it. Some private hospitals are also providing eye care services. Chief Minister Jan Arogya Yojana has significantly helped patients to access free eye treatment in Tripura. The referral load for eye diseases has remarkably reduced. Critical conditions such as retinal detachment, then glaucoma and macular hole can now be effectively managed within Tripura. Vision is more than just a physical sense. It is integral to a person's quality of life, their connection to the world. You will be happy to know, or I think you know, the MOU was signed between AIIMS and Health Department, Government of Tripura, in New Delhi on 15th October 2025. I was also present there. So the aim is to improve medical services across the state, including Agartala Government Medical College and GBP Hospital. The number of beds at Agartala Government of Medical College and GBP Hospital has been increased from 727 to 1,413. A super specialty healthcare unit has been opened in the AGMC and GBP Hospital at 250 crore. The foundation stone has already been laid for a critical care block and communicable diseases center and two special wards at AGMC and GBP Hospital. To reduce the referral from the state, teleconsulting service with AIIMS, New Delhi has been introduced. The laying of the foundation stone of the Sija Hospital and Research Institute of Manipur has created a new milestone on the state's healthcare system.
Ashla Hasni Mantri Okra Debu Shaka Haxalni Shimi Razakora Aguliwa treatment Kleinani Bagay Fine, Memar Ongzaglu Khorang in Only Borok, Dongnani de Chamuni Bagay 2025-26 Rang Bisini Bazido, Bharat Mata, Kentinte Night Shelter House, Construction Ni Bagay, Rang Chengjakha ni Shaka Hasni Mantri Okra.
During 2025-26, the state has made budget provisions for setting up of Bharat Mata canteen and night shelter so that people coming from far can stay overnight and have food in Agartala at a low cost. Now we have 450 students are studying MBBS courses in both the government and private hospitals of the state. The number of seats in the postgraduate level is 119. During the academic year 2023-24, with only 50 students, the BDS course was started. Now we have started our government dental college. So in that college, the number of seats has increased to 63 from 50. A foundation stone has already been laid for the new building of our Agartala Government Dental College at rupees 202 crore and has been allotted by the donor ministry for the construction of new building of dental college. And in that college, the latest treatments are now available, like 3D printing, laser treatment, etc. and so on. We are emphasizing on studies at the Regional Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology and BSc Nursing colleges. Nursing and pharmaceutical institutes have been established at the government and private sectors level too. The state government is also developing infrastructure and expanding medical services, not only in Agartala but also in district and sub-divisional hospitals. The tendency to go out of the state for treatment has decreased significantly. And the main reason is that many complex diseases are already being successfully treated in the state. Presently, the government is giving more emphasis and importance on telemedicine services. Trauma Care Center has been started at Gumati, Dholai and South District Hospital, and very shortly we are going to start in North District also. Our government has approved new district hospitals for Khowai and Sipaijola district. 100 more beds has been increased in the Gumati District Hospital. One homeopathic medical college is going to be established in Agartala, and another Ayurvedic medical college will be started. Integrated Ayush Hospital of Gumati district will be started there. So for that we have been given for each of these institutions 75 crores from the Government of India. There is a proposal for establishment of a new medical college in Dholai District Hospital at Kolai. We are also planning to establish a health university in Tripura. In cabinet already with our colleagues we have talked and we have passed also. So it also would be visible within a short period of time. Successful implementation of various central government projects and programs in the health sector in the state. Out of this 5,49,000 families in the state, Ayushman cards have been issued to a total of 16,17,346 beneficiaries up to 31st January 2026 under Pradhan Jan Arogya Yojana.
Ashli Pandao Hasni Mantri Okra Prof.Dr.Manik Shanokare Manjakha Tripura Ophthalmological Society ni Achofang Dr. Bikepal EIZOC President Dr. Jennifer B. Abahikino Manjakha Kubanatong Raza Khorang Nishmi Pronamnikok Chini Khorang.